spinner's done, so I'm gonna go check it out and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Okay, okay, okay. Actually in the washer, and then turn it on and the water will come out. So just so you see it, it's away from the water. You want to make sure that it's filled up. I like to fill it up to the third one. While it's filling up, I will show you the dials. So this is one way to just put the water inside. And then this is the wash time, 0 to 15 minutes. This is basically the condition that you want or need. I'm gonna do normal, but if I was dealing with delicates, I would do soft. And then this is how you drain the water out using this. This drains out all the water. And then this is for the spinner, which is this. The spinner has this inside of it, so you wanna make sure that you keep it here and you don't keep it there and put clothes on top of it and then close it, because you need this on top. So I like to keep it here to remind myself, and then fill my clothes in, throw this on top of the clothes, close this, and then close this. So put it there. And that's it. That's another way to put in water. It's filling up pretty fast. Yeah, that's pretty good. You want it to be able to move. Just turn this off. Then I like to get the detergent. You can put however much you want. I like to eyeball it. Since I bought majority of these clothes at the thrift store, I like to put my hand in there. to do that. I just like to do that. Then close this. And then okay, that's not good. It might need more water. This is where I'm gonna put the clothes when they're done drying. Okay, the washer just finished, so I'm gonna go check it out and I'm gonna show you how I just literally put it in the spinner for it to dry. Does not touch the wire, the cord. Or something to kind of keep it up. Other people advise to make sure, you know, the drainage system is good so you don't clog it with whatever comes out of your washing, like the draining section portion. So the spinner's done, so I'm gonna go check it out and I'm gonna take y'all with me. It's very important that no matter how you decide to wash your clothes in your bathroom or your kitchen or your living room or your shared space with your roommates or by yourself, that you're very, very, very careful. I'm not saying the way that I'm showing you how to wash it is the best way to wash your clothes. Only you can decide. Just be safe. You don't want anything to happen that can cause something horrible to happen. So be safe, be smart. And if you doubt something, trust your gut and maybe check your situation before you start the washing machine, okay? I just want everyone to be safe. I actually enjoy making these videos and I don't want people to be all like coming after me in the comments. I do understand that we all have our preferences when it comes to washing our clothes. I'm just showing you how I do it. Now I'm gonna get the second load out of the spinner and put it on the rack.